Hello and welcome to this session. In this session, we would be discussing bar charts or column charts. This is a continuation to the previous session in which we learned single bar or single column charts. In this session, we would be focusing on clustered charts. So, if you compare the data that we have used in the previous session with the data that we are using right now, we had a products column, then we had a restock time for the previous lecture. In this session, I have added another column that is the shelf life. So apples, the restock time is 14 days, the shelf life is 19 days. Likewise, for oranges, the restock time is 8 days, whereas the shelf life is 15 days. Okay, so on and so forth for bananas and pears. So we would like to see what I'm trying to do is I would wish to visualize or create a visualization where I would get two bars side by side. One bar is talking about the restock time, and the other is demonstrating the shelf life. So, based on the length of the restock time and the shelf life, I could visually make certain decisions and come to certain conclusions. Fine. So, that's the entire purpose of creating clustered charts. So how do we go ahead with that? Very simple. Select your data, go to insert. You have this vertical ones, which are column charts. The horizontal ones are bar charts. So click on this vertical one. So I'm making the column chart first and select the first one, the clustered column. Okay. So you can see I have a beautiful chart where I have apples, oranges, bananas, and pears. The blue bar is for restock time. The orange bar is for shelf life. Okay. So visually, I can easily make comparisons. That is to say, in the case of apples, the restock time is quicker. That is, I have to restock apples faster than the time they stay on the shelf. Okay. But on the contrary, if you see bananas and pears, the restock time is far more than the shelf life. Okay. So this kind of interpretations that could be made. Now I can add simple chart elements with these quick access buttons. I have this chart element, click on it, access title, check on this access title. Okay, I need a chart title as well. So, okay, so I have selected access title, the chart title. Fine. Do I need data labels? Okay. If you want, you can select data labels also. Click on it. So you get the data labels you can see. So this looks pretty good. Now let's just change the names. Okay. Now on the vertical axis, I would write days, and on the x-axis, I would write products. And I can give a chart title, clustered column chart. Fine. So I have added all the required elements in a chart. So this looks pretty good, pretty decent. So this is how you make a clustered column chart. Fine. So let's go ahead and make the clustered bar chart. I'll just undo this so that this gets removed, or you can simply delete this chart. Fine. So the process is the same. Select your data, go to insert, go to the horizontal bars now. Okay. The horizontal ones are the bar charts. So when you click on it, you get the horizontal, that is clustered bar charts. Click on that. So you get this very simply. So it's just the horizontal version of what we had created earlier. Again, quick chart elements can be accessed from here. So go here, select access title, probably data labels would also do. Okay, so you get this. On the x-axis, I would say product. No, in this case, on the x-axis, it becomes days. And on the y-axis, this becomes product, and the chart title would be clustered bar chart. Fine. So this is a complete bar chart, a clustered bar chart. So hope you have understood this, found this useful and interesting. Do keep visiting, do like, share and subscribe, spread the good word. Thanks for watching.